Hi, I'm Ron Ciramello, Jewelry and Timepiece Specialist with Morphy Auctions. Morphy Auctions is excited to announce our rare and important pocket watch sale. These 3 watches are just part of our selection from our rare and important pocket watch sale. This exclusive single-consignor auction offers over 600 unreserved pocket watches, including numerous Grand Complications watches, with just over 200 repeaters. This collection also includes a number of fine clock watches, perpetual calendars, moon phases, and chronographs. This is a very fine Swiss-made Grand Sonnery clock watch with quarter-hour repeater. The pocket watch is beautifully hand-engraved with a heavy 18-karat gold hunter's case, decorated on one side with a cowboy on horseback throwing his lasso. On the reverse side, 2 ostriches running. This is a rare and important Henry Grandjean and Company Grand Complications minute repeating pocket watch in a beautifully hand-decorated 18-karat yellow gold hunting case engraved with birds and flowers, circa 1880. Complications include minute repeater, leap year, perpetual calendar with moon phases, and a quarter-hour passing strike chime that can also be silenced. Rare and important Marius Lecoultre 18-karat pink gold, hunting cased, minute repeating, perpetual calendar, chronograph pocket watch with moon phases and retrograde date.